We are headed out on another Jim and Julie's adventure. We are going to Drift Creek Falls, which is close to Lincoln City, about a half an hour. It's a 3-mile round trip hike with 500 elevation gain coming back. It has a suspension bridge and a waterfall at the end.
Okay, so what do we need to know for parking?
So you need a Northwest Forest Pass, or if you don't have that and you have America the Beautiful National Park Pass, that will also work because it works for the National Forest, and this is part of the National Forest, so you can use that one also. So
that's what we're using today, right?
Correct. On the way to the hike, we stopped at the Drift Creek Covered Bridge. It is 1 mile off Highway 18 on the road to the trailhead. It was a great pit stop for Ollie. The trailhead parking lot is 9 miles off Highway 18. We went on a weekday and there were plenty of empty spaces, but that could be different on the weekend. There are also bathrooms at the trailhead. I usually wear hiking shoes, but bought some hiking boots to have for more vigorous trails. Let's see how dirty they get.
Ollie, are we going on an adventure? Do you want to go on an adventure? Here we go.
How many miles is this hike?
It's a 3-mile hike with a 500 elevation gain going back up.
There's a suspension bridge and a waterfall at the end. I like the suspension bridge. We have a lot of waterfalls in this part of the country. We see a lot of waterfalls. A lot of our hikes have a waterfall at the end, but not that many suspension bridges. And I like the suspension bridge. That's the highlight for me.
Mine's the waterfall. We got our dog Ollie almost a year ago as a rescue dog. This is the first time we have been male dog owners. We are not used to all the frequent stops for bathroom breaks and marking his territory. Do you guys let them stop as much as they want or tug on the leash after the tank is empty? Leave us a comment below with what you do. Today was the perfect day for this hike. We tried almost 2 weeks earlier and almost got stuck in the snow. Today was sunny and the trail was dry and the temperatures were great. Another pit stop to give Ollie some water and maybe a little bit of my pepperoni stick before we get to the bridge and waterfall. The Drift Creek Suspension Bridge is 240 feet long and 100 feet above the creek with an 80-foot waterfall. It is the longest suspension bridge on national forest land in the Northwest. After a hike, we like to head to a coffee shop or bakery. I found one not that far from the hike in Lincoln City, about 30 minutes away. There are 2 routes to get there. I will share a map on both directions. Ollie agreed that my boots passed the hiking test. Heading to Petite Sweet Bakery in Lincoln City, we took the Highway 18 route. From the trailhead, it's approximately 40 minutes. I'm wondering how many treats I'll need to eat. The bakery was full of pastries, cupcakes, scones, croissants, and cakes. I decided on the coconut lemon cake. The portions were huge and could easily be shared. It did not disappoint. Thank you for watching our adventure. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more adventures in the future.